What is up? Welcome back to another video here. We are going to be installing a boost controller on the car today. As you guys saw in the last video, we're hitting boost cut, definitely not good. It's not the best for the motor. And so we're running 17 pounds on the car right now, and I think boost cut's probably like 18 or something like that, or it's set at 17. I can't remember, but definitely not very good. It's hard on the motor and everything. So we picked up a boost controller. Now I just wanted to try this one out. So this one is like 16 bucks off Amazon. I'll link it down in the description below if it works. But so inexpensive. It's probably just the knockoff of the OEM brand, which is they're pretty much like $80 to $100. So I just wanted to try this one out, see how it does, and if anything, maybe we'll do electronic boost controller in the future. But this one is actually manual, so we'll open this one up and see how it does. But it should be pretty simple. All we gotta do is hook it up to the wastegate, and then we should be good to go there. So mount it in the car, but let's see how quality this thing is for 16 bucks. Alright guys, so this is actually pretty cool. They give you some line here, just some rubber line to connect the boost controller to the wastegate and stuff. So they gave you actually a bracket. That's awesome, so you can mount it. They got some screws back here to mount it to the car, but it's pretty quality. I mean, it's definitely has some weight to it. Definitely pretty nice. I like the black on it too. It tells you like which way you gotta go. So obviously the left is gonna be turned all the way down. Oh, actually, sorry. You actually have plus and minus right here, so I believe obviously minus would be less boost, plus more boost. So we'll check it out, we'll have to see, but definitely pretty quality. Not exactly sure what this thing's gonna do, but it's extra in the package. But we got the line boost controller, manual obviously, and some brackets. What we're gonna be doing in the car here is you can see that we have the line all the way for vacuum all the way over here, and then that ties in to the intake manifold to the vent tap and this blow off valve. So we'll tap into this line right here, and then obviously this goes into the internal wastegate right here. And then so I'm thinking like mounts it maybe back here, maybe right here. We'll have to figure it out. We actually have extra line that they gave us, so we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and install it and mount it into the car. Well guys, I sucked at videoing this, but we got her hooked up here. Got her nice and mounted up here. It looks pretty clean. Should be pretty easy to turn. Like obviously if I want to turn up the boost, but got her hooked up. Let's see if I hooked it up right. I turned it all the way down, so it probably is gonna make like 5 pounds maybe. Hopefully if it works, it's gonna make 5 pounds, and we'll turn it all the way up to 17 as much as we need to. But it's pretty clean in there. I think I'm pretty happy with it. It came with a nice bracket, mounts up pretty nice. So you can see like obviously the wastegate line goes this way and back all the way around to the intake manifold. So let's see what she does.
Juicy.
No. Interesting.
No go?
No go at all. I think I put it the wrong way. No go. I installed it wrong.
Oh, bye-bye. Look at that. Nice digital gauge cluster. Ooh boy, that's a spicy unit. I like it.
I don't know, man.
Right.
I think that maybe I installed it wrong.
We're about to find out. Take 2.
It's allowing more. That's interesting.
Oh boy, come on 540i. We know you have more power than that.
Oh god, the freaking vent atmosphere and like the turbo noises,
Yes.
dude. Oh, never gets old. Little baby flames.
And then we say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To society.
Alright boys, I think we found the problem here. I actually reached out to Yanni and he mentioned that the actuator was actually turned in for, basically the actuator on the wastegate was pushed all the way forward, meaning the wastegate was set to 17, which was like the minimum that it would be holding for boost. So I dialed it back now, so it should be around 12. Let's see if the controller works now. So we have it turned all the way down. So hopefully the car's hitting around like 12 PSI, maybe a little bit more, but then we can dial it in from there. So let's cross our fingers, see if that was it. Just give you guys a rundown of like what I was talking about is, so obviously like before we had this turned all the way down, but it was still making 17 pounds. So basically, you know, we have an internal wastegate. So the wastegate actuator arm right here, you can see that there's like thread. So you can thread it forward for more, for this to be tighter, for it not to open the flap in the back to get more, you know, pressure and stuff. So we loosened it, so there should be, you know, the wastegate should be less, you know, obviously than, you know, the 17 pounds that it was before. Well guys, I've been fiddling with this for a while now, just trying to get it dialed in and stuff. We finally got it dialed and I was just kind of taking it for a test drive. I should have been videoing, that's my bad, but I think we got it. She's pretty rowdy now. It's like holding around like 15, maybe a little bit 16 PSI, and like it's holding it there for sure. I think this might be a little bit heavier duty actuator, so it takes more like boost rather than you can put less on it with actuator. Basically how much it can hold and stuff. So we got it good. Unfortunately, when we're doing a last pull on it here, just trying to test it out, I basically lost all boost, like it wasn't building any pressure or anything like that. So I came back in here, it's stupid hot right now, so I can't really touch it. Like actually like kind of burnt my glove on here, but it's ridiculously hot in here right now. But I was like, man, like what the heck, dude? Like why is it, like what happened? Like there's no pressure now. And if I do this, this is your actuator right here, obviously, right? But like, you see how that's like super loose now? A bolt came out right there at the top of the bracket, like right here. So all of the pressure is coming out the back of the turbo. So, oh man, the turbo life, right? But so I'm gonna throw another bolt in there. I'll probably do this tomorrow, so I'll pick the video up tomorrow. But I think we got the boost controller working. We got the actuator set to where it needs to be. So it's time for some pulls, man. Times for some full throttle, full boost holding pulls. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Let's get this thing fixed. I gotta put that bolt in there for on the actuator because it fell out like I showed you guys last night. So gotta put a bolt in this thing because it's freaking loose now. So bolt up here, tighten this one down here, and then we should be good to go to do some full rips. Well, that was quick and easy. We got her all locked down now. New hardware on this one, and then she is tight on there now. So back this back a little bit, and it's good to go. Let's go do some full rips here. See if she works. Let's let her eat. Let her eat. fixed it overboosting. That was wild. We still got the overheating issue. I haven't fixed that yet. That'll be the next thing that we address. It's a little bit hot right now, like 2:30 actually. But oh my gosh, dude. Like I said, my car is not fast in any way. I don't even know what it makes the wheel, but I can tell you right now that it definitely makes more. It definitely makes more than 225. I can say that for sure. We gotta do another pull. So sick. Alright. Let's get it. Dang, boy! Caught up with this car super quick. Get old at all. Car's not even that fast. Dude. God, boosted Miata, man. You can't get up. Freaking amazing. This is so good. Freaking kid in the candy store, man. Just the noises that you get from it too. I hope you guys can hear a little bit of the noises. So good. Well guys, I think we could say that we fixed the boost cut issue. I'm thoroughly excited. I'll throw that Amazon boost controller down below because I guess it did work obviously. You can probably get a better one obviously, getting name brand or just doing electronic boost controller. But this, you know, $16 Amazon one will do us just fine for right now. Probably if we go build motor, we'll probably just do electric